Hello, so today we'll look at a little bit of wire twisting and then I'll show you what I did with my fuel pump wiring. When finishing a wire, it's always good to use some binder to hold those wires together. It's always pleasing to see how the wire markers are shrinking over the heat. Now, as always, let's crimp some wires. Take some pins out for the specific wire. Then, of course, always choose your proper wiring size for the crimp to be crimped in the right position. That's currently, I think I selected the number 6 for that. And here you go, a valid, great crimp. Now let's do a few montages of a little bit more of wire twisting. It takes a lot of patience, and actually the most kind of hard part is where you need to twist the 3-4 wires at the same time, and all of those wires actually twist themselves at the end. So it's kind of, you need to twist them on the wiring that you want to twist and then untwist them on the other end. So it's kind of annoying at some point. Now let's speed this up a little bit with more work. You can always take a zip tie, screw it on the one end, and then just move it by the lay of the wire, and it'll fix the laying, like overlaying of one wire over another. I know that I'm leaving a little bit gap of wires in the wiring. I'm not filling the whole layer, but it's just to save some wiring for me. Now on this part I'll cut, this is my fuel tank cover, which is holding the fuel pump, and what I'll do, this is the stock wiring, I'll just cut all of that and redo it with different wires. I tried to actually drilling the current made wire pass-throughs on this cover, and it actually works quite well. You can drill them out and then you have a proper valid hole to fit a new wire pass-through bolts in it. A little bit heat shrinking on the wires of the fuel pump. And that's the final product. So I resoldered the wires for the fuel level, and then I made a new pass-throughs for the fuel pump, and you can see the connector is at the bottom, which I need still to rip in the last 2 pins, but it's kind of more or less finished at this point.